Get strong.
Welcome back to another video on 12 Years Gone. It's with me, my mother, and we're going to be translating English to Patwah. Let's begin. What would you say for what's up?
Wagwan,
What would you say for how are you?
what's happening?
What would you say for I am fine?
Be cool.
What would you say for goodbye?
Later.
What would you say for no problem?
No problem, man.
What would you say for what's your name?
What your name?
What would you say for fine or nice?
Irie.
And what would you say for thank you?
Thanks.
In the next, for them, I'm going to be translating this Patwah back to English. So, what would you say for what going on?
What's up?
What would you say for what's happening?
How are you?
What would you say for me cool?
I am fine.
What would you say for later?
Goodbye.
What would you say for no problem, man?
No problem.
What would you say for what your name?
What's your name?
What would you say for Irie?
Fine or nice?
And what would you say for thanks?
Thank you.
Anyways, we have reached the end of our video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And stay Irie.